Hello, good night. My name is Jorge Arreguin, and this time I brought to you this very simple object that I call slab driveway, that you can see here. The menu is so easy. The length stone is for a piece, the wide stone, the gap between the stones, this is in the middle of each one, and at the beginning too, and the A, this is the C dimension, and this is the recommended wide. Okay, we have another options here that we will see in action, and some radius and angles and materials down here. Okay, I will put here, let's go to the plan view to explain it, and then we go back here to 3D. Okay, well, when you start using this element, this object, you can choose if you can put from the end, this mean here, or from the beginning, that must be here on the street. I will choose to the beginning. Okay, I put right here, and you can see the object is this is the default dimension, 5 meters for me, but you can change the dimension you want. And there are some hotspots. The first hotspot that you can see, for example, let me move here on the door. The first one is to change the width, and the second one is to change the size. When you change it, it doesn't move because this is your distance. You will make bigger the piece, so will be less pieces in the same distance. And like you can see here, when you move this down to our dimension, will be here, there is no space for another piece. So what you can do is increase the size or increase the gap. The gap is here. Do you see this distance is almost the same in any place, but if you want to have the same distance here and in the pieces, you need to reduce a little bit, and then you go here inside the program, you go here inside, and like you have one full dimension from here to here, there is a recommendation that is this distance instead this. So I take the recommendation that it's 616, and it fits better than the other option. Okay, well, this is on plan view. Well, when you go to 3D view, here there are let me move to the, what is the size of this? Okay, is this, let me move to the floor. Okay, when you come here, you have another hotspots. You have the same hotspots like dimension and like distance, and you have the A here. You can see I can move here. It's really high in the beginning, so we can move little down. Okay, and maybe now it's high to high here. Okay, and we have another option here. We have this hotspot that we will see. This is for rotation, and we can use a I have another option here that I call stair mode. The stair mode will we change the height on each one until go to the end. What's mean this? That I can move this, the last one, to this side, and you will have all in this position that is going up from the street to the house. Okay. Well, this will be for here. In the case of the car, we can make a copy and put right over here, and like is the car, we don't need the leather option, we only use the stair mode, something like this, and we can move here down. Let me move here to, what is the size right now? 5 centimeters. so the car will be almost like less 15, something like this. Okay, well, and for the car you don't need to white, so you can, sorry, that's another option I will show you. You can move right here and then put, this is almost the size for a car, and then move right here. Okay, this will be the next for the another wheel. It's something like that. Okay, and of course you can change here the like any object in 2 dimensions. You can go to change the pattern. Let me change something like this. I know that's not right, but it's just an example. And for this you can use concrete or whatever. Of course in 3D you can change the texture. Maybe for this use a different material like another type of concrete. Maybe this, like the one on the street. Sorry. Oh, sorry, I choose the same. And we change to the 4. This is number 10. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm really dumb. I'm really nervous today. Well, we have these options. We have another option that could be maybe used in this case like this. So we take this same object and we use here. Let me put right over here. That's a copy. Okay, so the problem now is that we need to rotate, so you have here a hotspot to rotate it, and then you will have on this position. Let me move right over here, maybe here, and more, maybe here. Okay, and the another maybe here. And of course this is not the right for this. We need to change. And we will put right here, and then we rise up this until your decision, maybe here. And this is for the car, this is for the persons. Okay, and even when it's here you can change the quantity of pieces, just moving this one, go back like a regular step. It's like 30 centimeters, and that's it. Okay, I have another options here, like let me turn off everything and only show you this alone. Okay, to show you the another stuff. Okay, like there are too many hotspots, you could get confused. Let me move this very close, maybe only 2. Okay, you have one spot here, another here, and there are too many to memorize, so I add an on-screen help, and you can read the function of each hotspot. This is for the gap, this is for the length, this is for the heel. When you want to a round corner, you move it. That's it. And this is for the width, this is for the full height of all stones, this is the full dimension. Of course there is no space for another, you can move here maybe. And this is for rotation, like I told you, this is for rotate the full object. Let me take it back. And there are another right here for the corner or the radio for each of these pieces. You can make a round corner if you want it. And I have another option here in the menu. When you use an angle like this means that there will be a round corner. Of course you can see it because the resolution is too low. That's too fast drawing. So I will increase the resolution, like maybe like 16. And now you will see the radio. Let me try it. Well, here is the angle of the heel. I will change for 0. When you have an angle Like now it's 40 degrees. You can change the angle maybe to 80. Yeah, it's almost rectangular. Or you can put 0. When you use 0, the program understands that you want round corners. So you have a nice stones in the entry of your house, and of course you can do everything like I show you. You can come here, you can change the egg, you can, or you can even do this. Let me show you this. You can change the size, for example, to 40, and this length to 42, to 40, yes, and then you can change the radio, and you will have, okay, that's it. You will have circles, cylinders, sometimes in the garden, just, you know, sometimes in some places you use it, something like this. Okay, of course, well, that's so easy to use. It's a simple object, nothing complex. Then when you are familiar with the hotspots, you don't need it, you can turn off right here. You don't need on the screen. Okay, that's it. It's a very simple object. I hope you like it. Let me turn on everything. I hope you like it. My name is Jorge Arreguin, and this is another small object to continue doing something different. Let me adjust this. Sorry, I got it. I got it. That's right. Something like this. That's it. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice night.